Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix cannot add card to Apple Wallet. First, let's understand the problem. If you are trying to add a debit card or credit card to your iPhone wallet and it fails, you might see an error message or the card just won't verify. This can happen for the several reasons. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data. A weak connection can stop the card from being added. After that, go to your iPhone settings, tap on your name and make sure you are signed in with your correct Apple ID. If there's a problem with your Apple ID wallet, service may not work properly. Not all bank or card are supported in every country. Your bank must allow Apple Wallet in your region. If the server is not supported, the card may not be added. Using an old iOS version can cause wallet issue. Go to the setting back, then tap on general, then tap on software update and install the latest update if available. Sometimes the problem is with the bank itself. Your bank may block the card for security reason. In that case, contact your bank and ask them to allow Apple Wallet access. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.